ALPS high frame guides. Well, it's something new that we haven't had in a while. I know a lot of people have been asking for the high frame guides. So ALPS designed a new one. It has a cool looking frame and it's not copying anybody else's, and it's a unique design.
High frame guides are kind of a carryover from years ago. There was a high frame match guide which keeps the lineup off of long, lighter action blanks. The frame style is very unique. It helps eliminate tangling, which is a little more prominent on a higher frame guide like that. The foot is typical ALPS, where it's pre-formed and ready to wrap, so you don't have to worry about grinding them or anything. All the models that we're carrying are 316, so have all the benefits of the high corrosion resistance of 316 stainless, which ALPS pioneered in the industry. Zirconium ring works well with braid, very, very smooth, above average as far as hardness, certainly braid proof, and very good compression strength, so if it gets slapped or anything, it has less of a chance to fracture.
We like it because it keeps that line off that blank on spinning rods. You know, you can use a smaller ring and a higher frame. You can use a smaller reel. So you can get away with a 1000 size reel and still use a number 20 ring guide that's high enough off of your blank to be able to fish correctly.
I really see these as number one center pin rods, and then number two certain light action spinning rods that have a lot of flex. I can see building with these quite often. Be a real nice guide for that application.
The quality of the ALPS guides is unsurpassed in the industry. I know that we work very hard with them in regards to the tumbling and the stamping and making sure there's no rough edges. And the platings that we're using are double black plated chrome, which is an awesome plating, and we've had done really well with that. You can't go wrong with the ALPS guides. I mean, as far as fit and finish, it's one of the finest guides in the industry, without a doubt.